Welcome. I'm Dr. Terrence Menifee, principal of the new John F. Kennedy High School. Join me today as we go on a tour of our lovely facility, state-of-the-art building here at John F. Kennedy High School. This space is our library media center. If you notice when we walk around is that we have plenty of work areas and spaces for our students, faculty, and community to sit and meet. There are breakout rooms for classroom assignments, to collaborate on assignments. Students will have the option to sign out Chromebooks. Teachers also have the option to conduct lessons here. The community also can sit and meet in one of our many breakout rooms in this particular area. This is our new John F. Kennedy High School gym. The gym was set up to hold about 1,500 people. Here we'll have gym classes, intramural games, basketball games, also events that we open to the community such as our family nights and a number of activities that our community and our students will be able to use. And this is our cafeteria slash auditorium. This room will be jointly used for our cafeteria and also for any type of theater or auditorium productions that we have here at John F. Kennedy High School. We have high tables, low tables, and also booth seating, which is a little bit different. We also have an outdoor space that students and staff can take advantage of daily for their lunch or breakfast. Another feature that we'll bring on this year at John F. Kennedy High School is our virtual welding program. Here students will have the opportunity, once we're set up, to have a virtual experience using a digital and computer-based welding. From here we partnered with Max Hayes and also Cuyahoga Community College, where our students will get a hand-on experience with welding. So they'll take the skills that they learn from here and apply them in actual welding setting at Max Hayes or at Cuyahoga Community College. Once students are completed with their credentials from the welding program, they'll have the opportunity to be employed at Lincoln Electric here in Northeast Ohio. Another great feature at John F. Kennedy High School is that we have these collaborative spaces where the kids could come and sit down and eat lunch, or a teacher could conduct a lesson. Also, if you notice that we have a Clever Touch board. All of our classrooms, including some of our open spaces, have a Clever Touch technology for use with students, teachers, or again, community members. Well, this concludes our virtual tour of the new John F. Kennedy High School located at 15111 Miles Avenue. I hope that you had the opportunity to enjoy some of our open spaces, our collaborative spaces, and enjoy some of our technology that we have in our new building. For more information about the school, the contact information is on the screen. Again, I'm Dr. Terrence Menifee, principal, new John F. Kennedy High School.